You can bring a better day along for the ride with an at-home car wash that's as good as any professional cleaning. All you need is a Foam Master cleaning sprayer, the perfect all-around tool for cleaning, degreasing, and disinfecting your vehicle. Its even distribution of foam ensures the most controlled, scratch-free wash possible. Putting your cleaning sprayer together is a breeze. Simply pour the cleaning solution into the easy-to-fill mouth of the tank. Next, connect the tank to the sprayer and the nozzle to the hose. Finish by attaching the sprayer to the nozzle. To choose how much solution you want to release, adjust the dial setting. Turn the dial to A to release the lowest concentration of cleaning solution. For the highest concentration, turn the dial to E. Once you're set, you can start cleaning. To rinse, simply disconnect the sprayer and tank before you spray. Taking care of jobs the clean and easy way? That's a better day.
What do you value the most in wild conditions of life? Protection. Introducing Landmodo, the world's first automatic car tent that will protect your car and transform into a camping tent in a matter of seconds. Convenient and easy with wireless remote control, Landmodo is the best partner for outdoor activities. Headaches setting up a beach umbrella, taking the chill out of your chill time? Struggles with assembling and fighting with the wind are not the best fun time companions. Landmodo can offer you another way. Even a bear can bear, so forget your beach umbrella nightmare. Okay, let's get serious. It takes just 30 seconds to install Landmodo. Rechargeable battery that once charged will dependably work up to 45 days or more than 500 times, automatically setting up. Supported by ropes from both sides of the car, Landmodo creates a solid protective shield. The anti-theft unbreakable cables keep it safe. Landmodo temperature control feature will also keep your car cool in hot weather. It's capable of dependably sustaining a temperature inside the car of up to 35 degrees lower than under the hot sun. Landmodo fits on any car, SUV, sedan, mini, Jeep, and even four-wheel beach vehicle. The soft surface of Landmodo is created to protect your car from scratches. Our innovative design also prevents unwanted damage from bird droppings, construction dust, and rain. Smart structure makes Landmodo portable. 4 adjustable ropes will protect your car from the wind up to 13 meters per second. Landmodo transforms into a camping tent. Plug a supporting pole into the ground and install just like you install it on the car, and attach tent walls using zippers on the sides. Landmodo camping tent is spacious, comfortable, and big enough for up to 7 people. Landmodo also comes with USB port that may charge your devices or used as a power source outdoors. It's a great addition for media enjoyment or keeping your digital toys charged. Landmodo can be customized and look exclusively the way you want. Any color, any print, no limitations. Literally, no limitations. We always celebrate your individuality. What we truly care about is your comfort. And at the end of the day, Landmodo will always have your back or front. You choose.
There's a new way to inflate tires, sporting equipment, and more. It's called the AirHawk, and it's revolutionary. The AirHawk is an amazing new cordless handheld air compressor that pulls in the outside air and then compresses it into the tire. It's fast, easy to use, and extremely convenient. You no longer need to drive to the gas station for air. You no longer need to pull out the large, bulky air compressor. You no longer need to buy those messy, expensive cans of air. The AirHawk is the most convenient, time-saving way to fill up your tires. Not only that, the AirHawk digitally reads the pressure and can be set to stop automatically when it gets to the correct tire pressure. The AirHawk can help you out of a bad situation. Traditional hand pumps are difficult to use and clumsy. The AirHawk is easier, faster, and far more efficient. The AirHawk comes with several air nozzles for a wide variety of uses. You know how frustrating it is when you have a flat ball. But with the AirHawk, flat balls are no longer a problem. In the past, blowing up inflatables such as pool toys and camping air mattresses was a hassle. With the AirHawk, that job just became much easier.